Hello, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to crack and stack in update 9 without actually getting hit by lightning. If you didn't know, I think they increased the range of the lightning. You get hit way more often now, and which is really annoying. But for this method, you won't have to worry about that. So, you need two things for this method. The first one is an account with the Bori, and the second one is, of course, an account that actually spawns the Krakens. Okay, so what you wanna do is, when you reach rough waters, you wanna back out of it, so you're no longer in it. This way you won't get hit by lightning when you set it up. So when you think you're backed up enough, you're gonna hop off your boat, and then you want to hold Bori cage, like put it, get up a little, so you, of course the Krakens can't kill you. You want to hold it towards rough waters. Then there, you can see it's from like that. And now you want to hold it for 2 to 3 minutes. And I just want to say credit to Ink Sans for showing me this method. I will put his channel in the description of this, so make sure you go subscribe to him. Okay, so once you've held down the barrier cage for about 3 minutes, then you can release it, and you see like that, it will stay in the air. So now you go on top of it. And don't worry if you die now, it won't reset. This only disappears if you leave the game. Okay, now you want to take your other account. Okay, now that I have my other account here, for this I'm using Pika. It works with other things too, you just need a move that can like hold you in the air. So, I'm gonna be ready to do this. So, I gapple down a bit, and then I get like in the middle, and I try to gap up a bit like this. If you want to be a bit under it, and then I use mirror kick, then put my cursor on my other account and hold barrier cage. Oh, I missed, and I just redo it. Okay, now that you've finished holding this, you can let it go again. And you see, if you gap down, there will be this gap in between the cages. You want to go up in that gap, like this, and then just stand here. And if you get hit by lightning, you won't take knockback because of how close these are. So if you get hit by lightning, you like just bounce a bit, but you won't fall out. So you can stay here without worrying about lightning. And yeah, that's it for this method. And to show that this method works, I will have this account in between these, and then my other account on top of it. Then we'll see that when you get hit by lightning, this account will fall off while this account stays in here. As you could see, my other account fell off while I am still in here. Okay, so that was it for this video, and if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and like.